Bluma is an Old English term for fertility. Bluma was born with the energy of providing support on lots of different levels: yoga, education, and wellness. We know that 1 out of 3 women in America say that their birth was a traumatic experience. That story is her story, and it stays with her for the rest of her life. Here at Bluma, we can bring down that statistic. 1 more, inhale up, exhale down. When you're ready, inhale, lift.
I just remember looking around the room on my first day of class at all these other pregnant ladies and thinking, my God, all this new life. We started going around the room saying, hi, my name is Yulia, and I am 14 weeks pregnant. And just the first day saying that in class, I just started crying because I hadn't said it out loud that way before.
I had gotten involved in yoga 3 or 4 years ago, and it started to become a big part of my life, so I knew while I was pregnant that I wanted to do yoga as well.
Throughout my pregnancy, I came 3-4 times a week, which was amazing considering the fact I didn't really work out before I was pregnant. So I probably was more in shape when I was pregnant than I ever have been before in my life.
Extend the right heel, breathe. Prenatal yoga is mostly seen at a birth when a mother is very present. She's not going into that place of what if, when, how long. She takes the opportunity to really come into her breath. And with each inhale and with each exhale, she is able to stay present with what's happening at that moment.
The classes I took, they're taught by people who are doulas, and I was always surprised with how open-minded they were about the choices that I was making, because I think the underlying assumption here is you need to do what you need to do for you, and you know you best, and you know your body best, and your situation the best. And so there's no prescription that works for everybody.
It's really about women feeling the power of and sort of owning their pregnancy and their birth.
I wanted to offer childbirth education that was taught from a place of empowerment and non-fear. I'm talking about education where you are peeling back the layers for you and your partner to really find out what birth means to you. Sitting in positions that you might birth in and surrounding yourself with other couples that have fears, excitements, challenges about being a family for the first time or second or third.
Being a single mom by choice and not having a partner, I knew that I would want to have a doula. I was able to create my birth team through Bluma.
After the prenatal and after giving birth, one of our favorite classes is BYOB, so bring your own baby. And babies come anywhere from 3 weeks all the way up through a year. After that, it kind of goes on to crawlers and tots. We have preschool yoga, kids yoga, all the way through tweens. We want to make sure that every single birth is honored, but make sure the mothers have their questions answered, their needs met, and a supportive environment where they can then come back and process their birth experience without judgment.